step more oral care. Okay, y'all, we are going to make lunch before my boyfriend gets home. It's Monday the next day. I just got done working out. That's why I look like this. But you have to do the water. We got the cream corn. I put a little bit in, and I'm gonna just wait to put a little bit more mayo because I think I put a little bit too much of the cream corn until after the noodles are done. So we're gonna do that. While we're waiting on that, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. It's been a couple hours and we're actually making dinner. It's around 5 o'clock. We're gonna make beef for dinner. So that's what I'm cutting up right now. I bought the one that was already pre-cut. We're just gonna put it. We have the meat right here. The potatoes are right there. And then over here we have our white rice, which is what we're gonna eat it with, is the side.